Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of Ceres, the closest dwarf planet to us, and it's the only dwarf planet located in the inner solar system. Imagine a world that was once thought to be a planet, then an asteroid, and now, officially, a dwarf planet. Why all the identity changes? Well, back in 1801, when it was first spotted, we thought it was a full-fledged planet. But then, as we learned more about its tiny size, it got demoted to the first asteroid ever discovered. Then came 2006, and with the discovery of Ceres, we had to rethink what makes a planet, and Ceres found its true calling as a dwarf planet. This little cosmic rock, spanning 592 miles across, is the biggest object hanging out in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Ceres is much smaller than our moon, and even smaller than Pluto. But here's a cool fact. Even though it's super cold, with daytime temps between -136 and -28 degrees Fahrenheit, it's actually warmer than Pluto because it's way closer to the sun. Speaking of closeness, Ceres is, on average, 257 million miles from the sun, while Pluto is a whopping 3.7 billion miles away. Gravity on Ceres is only about 3% of Earth's, meaning if you weigh 150 pounds here, you'd feel like a feather at just 4.5 pounds there. And guess what? Ceres is unique among dwarf planets because it's mostly rocky, unlike icy Pluto and its neighbors in the far-off Kuiper Belt. But it's not all rock. About a quarter of Ceres is actually ice, mixed in with its surface and hidden in layers deep underground, where there's even a layer of salty water. How cool is that? Ceres is a real cosmic chameleon, full of surprises and a key to understanding how our solar system formed.